We have not contacted Smecco as of yet. Engine 114, you direct. Hey, we're 76 with Columbia, John Lopez, Union Station 625. Can you ask one of them?
LEP 0423.
I honestly thought I scheduled for June.
Oh, you thought wrong, because I scheduled this appointment. Call 911. Call 911.
You! What is wrong with you?
But yes, it is just strange that a lot of...
Oh my God!
Whoa, 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 whoa! What was this guy doing?
Oh my God!
Вписываем там вот это гарнитур и цепочку. Блядь. Ты чё, дебил?
Current loop video is now live.
And it is my duty and obligation to show strength and resilience and resolve and be a symbol of our authority. Because as a president, you have to.
Oh my God! I almost banged him. Did you see that?
What are you doing? Do that ever again, you're a piece of shit. Dude, what the hell?
What happened?
He just threw trash in my truck.
Oh, what'd you? What happened?
He just cut me off.
You have reached 911.
Oh shit.
Thank God, man.